What are you doing, Ava? Are you making a mess? Ava. Amy. What's your name? Oh, that's a sweet girl. Can you say thank you? Ava. Ava, say hello. Hello. Alright, Ava. Tell us your name. Say bye-bye.
Say love you.
Say bye-bye. Wave to mommy. Say bye.